In this video, I'm going to show you initial and inherit property in CSS. First of all, let's create here new file and give the file name as initial and then inherit inherit css.html. And first of all, I want to use the boilerplates here. And also I want to change this document into the initial inherit property in CSS. And after that, I want to create here another HTML tag, that is style tag, to use the internal CSS. And inside the body section, I want to make two div, one div and inside another div. It means that this is the child div and outside this div, this is the parent div. So this is my parent div, parent, or you can say the parent, sorry, pressing here the command prompt. So I'm writing here something and I'm putting here the comment, and this is the parent element. Okay, this is the parent element or this div, and this is another one. This div is the child element. This is my child element, and another div is the parent element. And if you talk about the parent element and child element, if you talk about the HTML, this is the root element and this is the parent element of all the HTML element. And if you talk about the, here is a head element, and head is the child element for the HTML element. And if you talk about the body element, and body element has the HTML element as the parent element. And if you talk about the, this div is the child element, and if you talk about this parent element, this outside div is the parent element. So hope you understand about the parent element and the child element. So at first I want to give some styles to this element, and at first I want to give the ID here. ID is equals to parent ID, and inside this child div I want to give ID is equals to child ID, and I want to give some style to this parent ID and also this child ID. So parent ID, and inside this parent ID I want to give some height here. Height as 200 pixel, and width as 500 pixel. width has 500 pixel, and also I want to give the border 1 pixel, solid red. After that, I want to give here one important property. First of all, I don't want to give here the initial inherit property at the beginning. I want to give the color property here, color as brown. Okay, I want to give the color as brown, and inside the, I want to copy this whole code here. And also I want to make the child div here, child ID here, CSALD child ID. And I want to give this color as green here. And also I want to change this red into the blue violet. Okay, blue violet. And if I run this code by pressing on the go live options from here, and this code is running here. And if you see, I got this two parent div and child div, but I'm not writing here any text here, so I want to write some text inside this parent div and child div, and I want to write here parent div. This is my parent div, or you can say the parent element, and inside this child div I want to write here the child element. And if I again go to the browser, you can see here this parent element has the another color and the child element has the another color. It means that I'm providing here, if you see this style sheet, parent element has the brown color and the child element has the green color. And if I change this color property green into the initial initial value, and if I again go to the browser, now this color in child element is changed into the black. It means it contains the default value. So if I do not provide the any value, then CSS will apply, certain default CSS will apply to the HTML element. Likewise, if I providing here the initial as value to the color, then it will default take the default color or any default property. I'm taking example in a color in CSS, but you can take example for the font size, font weight, or whatever you want. So if I write here the initial value to the color, then it will take the default value. And if I change initial into the inherit here, and if I go to the browser again, now I got the both brown color here. It means if I type here the inherit, it means it takes the value from the parent element. It means that this is our child element, and if I provide the color as inherit, then it will inherit the property from the parent element, and parent element has the color as brown. So if I do not provide the color in the parent element, then what will happen? If I do not provide the color in the parent element, then default parent element will take the black color, and also it will inherit the black color in the child element. So hope you understand this video very clearly. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much.